Guys, my name's Zach, and today I'm just going to talk to you guys about what quality education looks like as an SDG, and maybe what are some ways we can fight against the lack of awareness or the lack of quality education, and promote just the overall goal of having quality education available to all people. So yeah, so with the XMind tool, we kind of have I created a base outline of like how technology could help out in this area. So we have four main areas. We have VR, big data, AI, and IoT. I'm just going to go through real quick. So with AI and VR, they're very similar in the fact that they're both interactive and they provide hands-on experiences. But with VR, it's mainly really fun for students and allows them to be able to really just, I mean, it's almost like a video game kind of deal for them. That's really fun for a lot of kids. And then, for example, like AI would be very adaptable and just learn a student's learning approach really quickly. And then with IoT, it's just pretty much the uh, concept of connecting schools, parents, and teachers, and students, and just all these people together to really just be there for the student and really be focused on their education. With big data, it's pretty much just being able to keep hold of each student's information and just teachers having the ability to look across their grades and being able to see how maybe that student learns or maybe it was some stuff that's happened in the past with the student. And it's a huge source of data for a lot of teachers that they can be able to convert that to useful information. So yeah, just a quality education overview. So like kind of how does it look across the world? So there's a 14% illiteracy rate across the globe, and that's kind of shown in the top right side of your screen, where it's showing like this whole map of like, okay, what's the literacy rate in these different areas of the world. So with children not in education, 58 million children are not in, are of primary school age, but they're not attending, and then 202 million, just same fact, but for secondary school. So, but within recent years, within like recent generations, the awareness for quality education is significantly raised, but there's still a big gap for more of like third world countries, as you can see, like with Africa, parts of South America, and like even the Middle East. Like there's a huge gap for quality education. So really just trying to make that really readily available for everybody. And then across the globe, we have like the United States and Sweden. So I just really enjoyed Sweden and kind of studying it so far. So for example, with the United States, there's 1.2 million dropouts a year. They're 12th in the world with college degrees, and they're 24th in math and 21st in literacy. So the United States is pretty middle ground. They're not really the best. They're not really the worst, but they're also just they're very middle ground, very just run the mill first world country. Whereas Sweden is really great. They're ninth in education in the world, so they're in the top 10. Their education is completely free, and then 86% of their students qualify for national programs. So Sweden is a really powerful, is known as a very great educator with them. So yeah, just looking at them. So yeah, thank you for listening, and yeah, thank you.